Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common frustration: signing a DocuSign document when you don't have an account. Whether you're dealing with a contract, agreement, or just a quick form, you can actually get this done in minutes without creating an account. This method is perfect for 2025, as DocuSign has made it even more user-friendly. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to have received an email from the sender with a signing link. This is how DocuSign works for non-account holders. It's all about that secure link. Open the email and click on the provided link. Don't worry, it's safe and straightforward. Once you click the link, you'll be taken to the DocuSign website or app, where you'll see the document ready for your signature. Look for the Sign button or prompt at the top. If it's your first time, you might be asked to enter some basic information like your name and email, but you won't need to set up a full account. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Next, scroll through the document to find the signature fields. These are usually highlighted or marked with a tag. Click on the signature area, and DocuSign will give you options to draw your signature, type it out, or even upload an image of your signature. Choose what works best for you. Drawing is fun and personal. After you've added your signature, double-check the document for any other required fields, like dates or initials. Once everything looks good, hit the Finish or Sign button to complete the process. You'll get a confirmation email, and the sender will be notified that you're done. One quick tip: if you encounter any issues, make sure your browser is up to date, as DocuSign relies on modern web features. And remember, this method is designed for recipients, so it's all about efficiency. There you have it. Signing a DocuSign without an account is easier than you think. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.